Marco and the TD Castilla. Now you can see this is a joint combined amphibious task group, just because with Army guys, they are equipped with a Beretta 5.56. Today, our AAVs, I mentioned before, are landing. They have a speed, they have a protection, the shore, the reason why the usual.
It's a huge demonstration of deterrent ashore. This is both a national Italian exercise but also a NATO exercise, and it's the first time Marcom has worked directly with the Italian Navy to put an exercise together, and the joint staffs working together with over 20 ships, more than 5,500 people, 20 aircraft, so a real win from that perspective. And of course, having this level of capability at sea at this time has just got to be good news for the Alliance and reassuring for the population of NATO. So the NRF Maritime is part of the very high readiness force of NATO that is immediately ready to respond to changing circumstances. And that can be anything from humanitarian disaster relief right up to crisis and warfighting. So that they have to be ready for all circumstances.